to the gender pay gap, because the new census data reveals there has been no progress made on that front in terms of trying to close the pay gap there. I want to bring in Sibile Marcellus, who's been tracking those numbers for us. And Sibile, I feel like the story has been the same for a very long time now, but what does the latest census data point to?
That's right, Akiko. So it is disappointing to see and hear that there is no progress when it comes to closing the gender wage gap. We have new data from the census from between 2018 and 2019 that shows that women haven't really advanced in pay despite the efforts for more advocacy and women speaking out about this issue and this problem in corporate America and in the workforce. So here is what we're seeing in terms of the numbers. The other thing I should mention real quick is that also because we're in a pandemic, we've seen that millions of Americans have lost their jobs, but women have been hit particularly hard. For instance, in April, we saw that it was a majority women who were laid off versus men. So when you look at what the census is saying in terms of the efforts to close the gender wage gap and the no progress we're seeing there, for white women, it has pretty much stayed the same. This is broken down by race. But for Black and Hispanic women, the gender pay gap has only closed by 1 penny. So if you look at the numbers, it was 62 cents and 54 cents in 2018, respectively. And in 2019, it went up to 63 cents and 55 cents to one white man's dollar in terms of earnings.
Okay, well, that is some depressing data there. Thanks so much for that, Sibile.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.